consecutive integers. There were students in evening class ranging from O level grade 1 to 3 to A levels. And the least experienced scored the most in this particular topic. How many numbers are there from, let me just use a symbol, exclusive, I'll be using letter E, inclusive, I'll be using letter I to avoid any confusion in pronunciation, okay? So how many numbers are there from 1 to 10 inclusive?
What do you mean, sir?
How many digits, how many numbers are there when inclusive, like 1 and 10 is included? So we're counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many
Oh, okay.
numbers?
What, 10 numbers? Or besides 1 and 10?
10. That's right.
Okay.
1 to 10 inclusive. How many even numbers?
Uh, 4?
That would be 5.
Huh? Wait. Oh, yeah, 10. Okay. Do we include 1 and
Okay.
10 or do we not?
Yes,
And
inclusive. We are including it.
okay. Okay.
So now you see, maybe that you were quick to answer, but these students, they scored higher in this particular topic, but A-level students, they scored lesser because this is something which they've done 5 years ago. And those were students who are currently doing this in school. Basics, numbers, algebra, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Is the number divisible by 3? Is the number divisible by 7? So A-level students are no more doing that. They're already in touch. Now, same question, 1 to 10 inclusive, sorry, exclusive, same question, but exclusive, even numbers. How many even numbers are there?
Exclusive 1. Oh, okay. But besides those, then it's 4.
It is 4. Okay. Now see, 1 to 10 included, like 1 and 2, 10 is included, multiples of 3. How many are there? Mohammed, you there?
There's 3.
There are 3. 3 multiples in this given range. 1 to 10 exclusive, boundaries are not included. Again, multiples of 3. How many are there?
Mul- Even numbers? There aren't any. I mean, there's only
Multiples
one,
of
right?
multiples of 3 only. So your answer is
3.
3. Yes. They were 3, 6, 9. They are still 3, 6, 9. Including the boundaries or excluding the boundaries is actually not affecting this because none of these number was in boundary. Now, coming up to how many numbers are there from 2 to 7 inclusive.
2 to 7. If we're counting 2, then there's 6, but we're not, so 5.
Sorry, how many?
Aren't there integers, right?
Actually, voice is breaking. Yes, integers.
S- 2 to 7, there are 5 numbers.
5, no.
Or are we counting
Count
2
them
as
on your
well? Then
fingers.
it's 6. I thought we
No,
weren't
no,
counting
that's
2.
already, no
Okay,
mask.
sorry.
The moment that is already very clear.
Uh, uh,
Included.
my bad, sir.
So this is a very easy topic. We lose marks because we overlook it. We just ignore it. Okay.
Okay,
Those
sir.
topics which you think you did in grade 6, 7, 8 would require most attention. Those topics which you did recently, you will do fine. Okay. So don't overlook this topic. Now see if the question would have been 1, 3, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 9, 6 included. Now these were those questions we can also count on our fingertips. But this is not that number. These are included, and what is the examiner asking? Multiples of 7. Concept is 100% same, but the number is large. Now we are not able to count it. Now here comes in a basic formula. How many numbers are there? Final minus last minus first, last minus first divided by multiple plus 1. What is last? Last is my selected number which I will choose. First is my selected number which I will choose. And m is multiple. And o plus 1 includes that boundary. Coming back. First question we said how many numbers are there? So we are including this number, we are including this number. So that is last minus first divided by the multiple. When we were talking about how many numbers, there is actually a difference of 1 in each of them. Plus 1. What do we get? 10 minus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Same answer. Second, we did even numbers. So last even number in this particular question was 10. The first even number in this question was 2. And even numbers, so the denominator should be 2. Any doubt in this 10?
No, sir.
Should I consider the silence as yes? Like no doubt. Any doubt in this 2? That the first selected even number
So
would be 2?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wouldn't there be 5? Oh, plus 1, plus
Yeah,
1. Okay.
they are 5 plus 1. So again, 5. Now, even numbers, and we are excluding 1 and 10. So last minus first over multiple plus 1. So my last selected number is 8 this time because I'm excluding 10. My first selected number is 2 within the given range. Multiple, why multiple 2? Because we are having difference of 2 in each even number. Plus 1. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Same answer. Again, multiples of 3. Last minus first over multiple plus 1. So last selected multiple in this range was 9. First selected was 3. The difference between every number is 3 plus 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 by 3, 2. 2 plus 1, again 3. Now again, if I excluded it, last minus first over m plus 1. I'm excluding 10. I'm not thinking over it. Still, the last number was 9. Still, the first number was 3. And I again get 3. Now, see how many numbers from 2 to 7. Last minus first over multiple plus 1.
So 7
Last
minus
selected
2.
number was 7 minus 2, right? And the
Mm.
difference was 1 this time. Because how many numbers? Difference between every number. If I would say multiples of 7, difference would be 7. Multiples of 5, difference would be 5. Consecutive numbers difference would be 1. Consecutive odd numbers difference would be 2. So 7 minus 2 is 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 numbers. Now this time, this number, examiner says 137 and 23496. Now what am I going to do? I'm thinking about this number. I'm punching the exact number in calculator 23496, dividing it with 7. If you could do it with me as well in parallel. I divided it with 7, but that's a fraction. Now that
All
is
right.
already 496. To be within range, I'm trying 495, again fraction. 494, again fraction. 493, again fraction. 492. I got a perfect answer. So the last multiple of 7 is 23492 in this given range. Now 137. I'm trying 137 by 7 fraction. So 138 by 7 fraction, 139 by 7 fraction, 140 by 7 is exact number. So the first number is 140. In this given range, 140 was the first number divisible by 7. The last number was 23492. So last minus first divided by the difference between them plus 1.
So how did you get
So 2,
3492?
3. Which number?
3492.
23492.
Yes.
Mahadar punched in this number, last number, and divided with 7. Do it and tell me the answer.
3356. Oh wait, no.
23496 divided by 7.
Yeah,
Are we
yeah,
getting a decimal?
23496. Yes, sir.
So that means it is not a multiple of 7. 23496 is not. Then I tried 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so on. 2349, 23493, 23492. So keep on trying. I got this number which was divisible by 7. No, 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 and this was divisible.
So 23496 divided by 2.
No, 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 we're trying with 7
Okay.
because the question is find the multiples of 7. If the question would have been multiples of 7 in this range, I would straight away say 100. If the question would have been multiples of 7 in this range, all included, I would again say 100. If the question would have been in this range, now I know the first 7 is missing, so my answer would be 99. But 23496, 137 are not those numbers which we are looking in our daily lives. So we'll have to think over it. To lessen the thinking time, I'm forcing you to use this formula. So within this
No, but I still don't get the
range,
23492.
okay, 23496, is it a multiple of 7?
No, sir, it's not.
No. So let's try a lesser number in the range. We cannot go outside the range. So lesser number is 23495. One less. Try this. Is it a multiple of 7?
Oh, okay. 2, 3, 4, 9.
So we
I thought
kept
it
on
was 7.
trying and we got our answer that 23492. Yes, it is a multiple of 7.
Okay, sir, I understand.
And then I came to this. And 140 was
So you
selected.
did the same with 137. You kept
Yeah,
going
same with
until you got
137.
a multi. Okay.
Yes.
So why did you go up for
So that
137 but down for the 23496?
because I had to stay within the given range. I cannot use 17,
Okay.
18, 19.
Mm-hmm.
So by 7 plus 1 is giving me, it is saying that there are 3,337 numbers which are multiples of 7 within this range. Now coming back to this first thing which I said, these were the students who were very good at it. And I would admit that even I didn't know, but they knew, they were like so sharp that they were telling 23496 cannot be a multiple of 7. I was the one who was punching this in calculator. I didn't save my second. I should have known that 137 is not a multiple of 7, but they knew. They had their things. They said that, sir, 7 plus 3 plus 1 is this, and this could be not, this can be possible, this is not possible. They had their ways. But we do know in this stage, like, would this be a multiple of 5 or not? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5. Would this be a multiple of 5? We
No.
know, yes,
Oh wait, no, it would be. It would be. It would be.
last,
Sorry.
yeah, last digit is 5. So, do I know that this number 73194,790 is this a multiple of 10? Is the second number multiple of 10?
The second number? Yeah.
Multiple 10? Yes. We know multiples of 10 without thinking, without calculator. We know multiples of 5. We know multiples of 2. We may need to think, is it a multiple of 4? Let me know. Is this a multiple of 4?
Yeah.
Yes. Is this a multiple of 4? You surely know this is a multiple of 2,
No.
but is this a multiple of 4?
No.
Is this a multiple of 4?
No.
See, you're taking 2 to 3 seconds.
No, not really, sir. I'm just doing something else
You
right now.
got the right answer. You got the right answer. But when you answered this, that was a fraction of second. When you're thinking about this, that is maybe 2 seconds. Is this a multiple of 4?
So which 102?
108. Yes or no?
104 is divisible by 184 is divisible by 4. 108.
So, yes or no?
Yes, sir. It is divisible by 4.
Multiple 8. Yes. Mad, you got the correct answer. But maybe you took 3 to 5 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Is this a multiple of 4?
Yes.
That's
I
a no.
just no.
See,
What
now
one?
new questions. New questions, Mad. We're
Mm-hmm.
checking multiples of 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Just say yes or no.
Okay, sir.
First question. Yes or no?
Where, sir?
Multiple of 2.
Oh, yes, yeah, it is.
Yes. Is this a multiple of 2?
Yes, it is.
Is this a multiple of 2?
No, it isn't.
Is this a multiple of 2?
Yes, it is.
Is this a multiple of 2?
Yes, it is.
Is this a multiple of 2?
No, it isn't.
See, we know, I'm including myself as well. We know multiples of 2, we know multiples of 5, we know multiples of 8. But we
Hmm.
do not know multiples of 3, we do not know multiples of 4, we do not know multiples of 6, 7, 8, and 9. But those students who were in grade O1, they knew all this. They had
Hmm.
their rules, but I would admit we do not have that much time to memorize it like past studies. So here it is. Last minus first over m plus 1 would give me all those numbers which are required. So my last selected number, I will take my 3 seconds. I will take my 4 seconds to select the number easily. I will select my first number easily. And I would score that. And on top of that, you should know we are not having 12 such questions in exam. We'll have only one.
Mm-hmm.
So we can spend like even 30 seconds like this. It says how
Hmm.
many odd integers. This is the range.
So it's just 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 4, 5, 1
Yeah, the last
divided
selected
by 3.
this because we know yes it is odd, minus the first selected number, odd, divide by 2. Any issues with this 2?
No, sir.
And then there we go. We got our answer. 2451 minus 123 divided by 2 plus 1 because we are including the first number as well. So this is 1165. That's my answer.
Okay. So were you doing? Why did you do in one of the questions you did last minus final? Like the first one minus the
Last
final.
would obviously be the bigger number. So I'm subtracting the
Okay.
larger number minus the smaller number.
Okay.
See question number 8. How many multiples of 3? I know it is not a multiple of 3, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So I'm going to save my second. I'm not going to try 80. I'm trying 79. And I got a no. 78, I
78.
got yes.
Yes.
So 78 is my last selected number. 25 is not a multiple of 3.
So
I know that.
27.
27, yes, very good. So 27 divided by 3
Plus
because
3.
of this 3 plus 1. So 78
17.
minus 27
Up 18.
divided by 3 plus 1. So they're
What?
very good. There are 18 multiples of 3 within this range.
So why do you do plus 1 at the end?
Plus 1 because I'm including the first number.
Okay.
See what mistake we would do. How many numbers are there from 1 to 5?
5 numbers,
Now
sir.
if we do this. So they're not actually 4. That's why I'm doing plus 1.
Okay. Okay.
How many numbers are there between 10 to 20 included?
10.
There are 11.
What?
10 is also included.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
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 One more. How many numbers included
Mm-hmm.
20 to 25?
5. Then you add 1, so 6. Yeah.
See, count them on your fingers. 20, 21,
20,
22,
21,
23,
20,
24, 25.
24, 25. Yeah. 6.
Because
Crazy.
we naturally do that. 25 minus 20. That is the difference. But how many members are there? Members are 20,
Mm.
21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Naturally, we subtract these two and we get this difference. So that's this plus 1 is for that compensation. It would always work. See question number 9. How many integers are divisible by 3? Last minus first over multiple plus 1. So multiple is already 3 plus 1 is there. Is 200 divisible by 3?
No.
I'm trying 199 and that's no. I'm trying 198 and that's a yes.
Mm.
So 198 is a multiple. Now the first one. I know 100 is not. I would not try that. 101 divided by 3 is a no. I tried 101, but those students they already knew they are
102.
not doing 101.
Yeah.
So 102 is yes. Formula would handle the numbers now. 198 minus 101 divided by 3 plus 1 is
33.
33 numbers. Within this range from 100 to 200, first one being 102, second would be 105, third would be 108, going all the way up till 198. But these all are 33 number.
Understood.
This is this reason Allah is tricky. These small questions, easy task, but we can make careless mistake. This is the sole reason I want you to read every single question. You may tell me that I did this concept 7 years ago, I've forgotten it. Please revise. I'll do it. You may get difficult questions which students would take 3 to 4 minutes to solve, but you're doing it good because you are doing A levels. You can handle difficult questions. You may have forgotten easy ones because you did them once 7, 8 years ago. So that's why don't just read the name of the topic because you know that's easy. Just go through those questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll share these questions with you along with the key.
Okay.
and inshallah, we'll discuss any problem in our next class. Meanwhile, I used to ask, did you get time? I'm saying, make a time and just try a random sample paper as well. Type on Google, SAT sample. Get random questions. That would be a motivation for me as well. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And someone just texted me, said, I'm waiting in class.